Apaan tuh?
Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
Yes.
Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the
안녕.
lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the
Uh-oh.
It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children
Apaan
laugh
tuh?
and play to see
Kuru-kuru.
a lamb at school.
안녕.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited
Apaan tuh?
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Dadah.
Why does the
Apaan
lamb
tuh?
love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The
안녕.
eager children cried. Why Mary loves the
Nice
lamb,
try.
you know.
Hello, guys.
Lamb, you know why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Apaan tuh?
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Hello, guys.
A little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to
안녕.
go.
Apaan tuh?
Followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and
Oh my
play, laugh
God.
and play. It made the children
Oh, no.
laugh and play.
Okay.
The lamb at school. So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Huh?
Why does the lamb love Mary so?
Nice
Mary
try.
So, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Apaan tuh?
Mary had a little lamb.
Apaan tuh?
Little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow.
Yummy, yummy.
Mary had a little lamb. Little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to
Okay.
go. It's fall.
Apaan tuh?
School one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the
apaan tuh?
it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited
Dadah.
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary
Nice
so.
try.
Why does
Hello,
the lamb love
guys.
Mary so? The eager children
Kudu, kudu.
cry. Why Mary loves the lamb? Lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb? You know the teacher.
Oh my God.
did cry.
Oh no. Okay.